Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube app not working on your LG Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the YouTube app, but it's not working. How do you actually go ahead and fix it on your LG Smart TV? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, the first thing that you can do is you could actually go ahead and unplug your LG Smart TV. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds and then reinstall it. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds and then go ahead and replug it back in. What you've just done is a soft reset of your LG Smart TV. Go ahead and see if the app works. If the app still doesn't work, you could actually go ahead and highlight the app, click on the sensor button here and hold it down, and then wait until you appear on this page here. Next, highlight the trash can above the YouTube app and go ahead and delete the app. Now, once you delete the app, go ahead and reinstall the app and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, you could also factory reset your LG Smart TV. In order to do so, just click on the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on the gear icon again. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says General. Click on General. Next, scroll down even more and then click on System, and then from here go ahead and scroll down even more and click on Reset to Initial Settings. So what this is going to do is that it's going to wipe out any information on your TV and make it as if it were brand new. But use this as a last resort though. Hopefully the other two solutions help you out, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your YouTube app not working on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.